You're receiving the CyberStream System Update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell, and I'm the COO of CyberStreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update, Microsoft 365 Copilot updates. In April, Microsoft released major updates to Microsoft's Copilot, its AI companion, which is built into Windows 11, Edge, and mobile apps, as well as the Microsoft 365 suite of applications. Let's dive into what these rolling updates include and what they mean for your day-to-day productivity at work. If you haven't already signed up for Copilot free, Pro, or 365, consider giving it a try to see if it can help improve your workflows. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, unlimited uses. Previously, Microsoft Copilot has been limited to a finite number of uses before you had to wait until the subscription renewal. An update removes these limits. It now comes equipped with GPT-4 Turbo, the most prominent version of ChatGPT. 2. Raising industry standards around data protection. Microsoft has reshaped its approach to data protection to shield business users and their clients. Some people previously had concerns about how the Copilot assistant gleaned and used their commercial data. These recent updates ensure that your data stays within your company, giving customers, staff, and other connected parties peace of mind when they're interacting with your brand. And 3, improved employee experience. Finally, Copilot helps synchronize information across the company's Microsoft infrastructure, including emails, calendars, shared media like documents, images, and video files, and other collaborative tools and media. Copilot now has a more complete view of your relevant data, which should help it reduce your time to manual tasks like planning, scheduling, editing, or researching. For more information on this story or how CyberStreams can help you understand your CyberFit score using our proprietary CyberFit assessment, check out the description or comments accompanying this content. This concludes your CyberStream system update, and this is Matt Cordell signing off.